really was our very first bit of funding that launched an interdisciplinary collaboration between myself and colleagues in the Department of Computer Science, where we began using virtual environment technology to study child bicycling behavior, and in particular, how children cross roads with continuous traffic. And it really launched this whole program of research. When children begin to cross the road, when they enter the gap, they tend to time their entry less tightly than adults do. So we were able to start identifying some of the perceptual motor factors that might put children at risk for collisions with cars when crossing roads on bike. So the pilot funds that we received from the IPRC were very important in allowing us to leverage additional funding. In 2003 to 2007, we became a project grant within the IPRC. We were also able to use the pilot funds to leverage an initial grant from the National Science Foundation. That then later turned into funding that we received in 2007 in the form of an NIH R01. We really established a lot of good connections with researchers in the IPRC. These connections allowed us forums for discussing our research and thinking about new sorts of projects that we could be involved with. And so it helped create an intellectual community for us that has been very important to the way that we've thought about our work and new directions that we've taken our work. I think the IPRC, because of its real focus on injury prevention, has really made us think a lot about how our work, looking at some very basic factors in terms of children's perceptual motor capabilities, might be used to think about potential intervention. And that then has also allowed us to branch out even further and start to look at child pedestrian road crossing as well, which has generated yet a whole new set of findings and research grants as well.